Come here, let me get the rubber bands out your hair. So the first thing I'm doing is just going in and taking the rubber bands out of Micah's hair, and I'm just using a rat tail comb to do so. Now Micah's sitting up using a shampoo bowl to drink his bath water. Now that I've got all the rubber bands out, I'm gonna just go in and saturate his hair with water and kind of fluff it out before I go in with the shampoo. For shampoo, I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Mango and Carrot Extra Nourishing Shampoo, and this is one of the shampoos they have that's made specifically for kids. Since his hair was already sectioned off from the way he wore it to school, I just went into those smaller sections because it made it that much easier for me to make sure I was actually getting down to his scalp. The conditioner I'm going in with is from that same Shea Moisture line, so I'm going to just take a few pumps on my hand and distribute it through his hair. I like to finger detangle Micah's hair instead of going in with a comb. I just feel like it's a little bit more gentle on his hair, so I'm just going in to make sure he doesn't have any knots or tangles before I let the conditioner sit. Since we're letting the conditioner sit for a few minutes, I'm going to just go ahead and take this time to give Micah a bath. That way we're still actually being productive with our time. Since Micah's hair does tend to be a little bit drier, I do like to go in with this Blue Magic Coconut Oil hair conditioner, and I just part through his hair and make sure I apply this directly to his scalp. Next, I'm going in with this Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil by Allocate Naturals, and I just apply this directly to Micah's hair to help prevent it from being dry. Now that I finally feel like I got the middle part straight, I'm just going in with some rubber bands to kind of section off his hair into some little puff balls. This is how his hair was looking once I finished his whole head. And initially, once I started doing his hair, I was planning to do 2-strand twists, like little plaits with beads at the end, but I could not find his beaters. So the next thing that came to mind was to do finger coils. So that's what y'all are gonna see me going through his hair doing. So to achieve Micah's finger coils, the first thing I'm doing is going in with a dimming brush to make sure his hair is fully detangled. Then I just spritz a little bit of water to make sure that the product will take better. And the product that I'm actually going in with is the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Curling Gel. I'm just going to go in and keep repeating this same process until his whole head is complete. So this is how it looked once I completed his whole head, and I think he liked it, if I must say so myself. I mean, he couldn't even stay out the camera. Once I finished his hair, the last thing I did was just go in and tie his hair up with a do-rag so he could get ready for bed. And that concludes Micah's wash day routine for this week. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in my next video.